Sensor Integration School is a 2-day interactive course where your technicians come into BEA. We sit down, and for 2 days we learn about swing and sliding door sensor applications, troubleshooting, and much more. There are many hands-on modules and hands-on workstations where we learn how to install, troubleshoot, and program a lot of our sensors for these different kinds of doors.
What an attendee can expect to learn when they come to BEA Sensor Integration School is not only all about what BEA offers in terms of a company, but our sensor technology, how to apply it, install it, and troubleshoot the sensors, helping make their jobs easier when they return to their companies.
Everything we do is hands-on, so we learn based off of real-world scenarios. What have we gone over in the field that we can talk about in class that we've already encountered? So it's a good place where you can learn, not just from us, but from your fellow colleagues around you, because everybody has their own different field experiences. We all share it.
Sensor Integration School is important for the door industry because BEA takes the opportunity to provide education in terms of safety and how our sensors apply to the automatic door standards.
What makes sensor integration so special is that it's for technicians of all different years. Whether you've been in the industry for 30 days or you've been in the industry for 30 years, BEA Sensor Integration has a spot for just about anyone. Technicians, sales folk, installers, architects, you name it. You can come on over.
What makes BEA Sensor Integration School so special is the people that help train it and the effort that we put into making sure we provide a industry-leading training experience for all the technicians to attend.
When you attend our class, day one is sliding door sensors. We're going to go through different real-life pictures, good and bad installs, and we're going to learn about the different kinds of sensors that we sell for it. How do I install them? How do I make them work with your sliding door? Day two is swing door. What kind of swing doors do we use them on? What kind of sensors do we use on swing doors? We'll basically learn, again, troubleshooting, how to make them work with a swing door, how do you wire it into a swing door? Pretty much covering all bases. Sensor integration is important to the door industry not only because of how you work with the doors, but you need to know how to make them move. What kind of activation zone do I need to put in front of the door? How am I going to hold it open? How am I going to make this door safe? So everything you learn in this class is something you're going to use out in the field forever, regardless of what kind of door you encounter. If you're questioning coming to our class, the quick answer is, how much are you willing to learn? Your creativity is the only limit when you're out in the door industry. Come over here and learn everything there is to know about sliding and swing door sensors.
Visit BEAsensors.com to learn more about BEA Sensor Integration School. Visit our training page and inquire about attending a class today.